Okay, see that right here? This is the sunset on my very last barrel race. The crew just getting done. Hey, it's day 36, packed up. Yesterday we kind of packed up last night, but we had to leave everything outside because I still had 2 people staying in the garage. So we left all the stuff outside. All the booth stuff was outside. They're all in Graceland right now. We gotta be here until Tuesday because that's when Jen flies out. So I gotta stick around the area. This is the cheapest place in the area. It's 35 bucks a night. So we're not going far, but I just thought I'd pack this up, show you guys what it looks like when we pack it down and how tight these slides are. Okay, first things first, here in the garage, you'll see this is basically how we have it packed. So these 2 bunk beds come down from the ceiling, and you know, one ends up about this level, about chest height or chin height, depending on how tall you are. And then the other one is about knee level. It's just all the way to the ground. But that's without all this stuff in here. So this is basically all the booth stuff, cameras, computers, hats, suitcases, whatever. This is my sublimation printer and all that stuff. So basically, without the sublimation stuff, that stays. But almost all of this, 90% of this stuff goes inside when we set up a booth, and like these 3 TVs here and all these tables and printers. So all that stuff will go inside. And all that stuff had to sit outside last night because we needed to be out of the arena. Boom, these little totes back here, they're not going to go very far. They're kind of locked together, and there's a table right here. So they're not going to tippy very much. And, you know, there's like a chair up here, whatever. Just some basic stuff, but it's not going to go anywhere. And the thing I would be worried about is this printer, but it's ratchet strapped to the table, and then the table is ratchet strapped to the floor because this is a toy hauler, so it has, you know, D-rings in the floor for that sort of thing. Put the bar stools right here real quick from there, because when we push the slides in, the slide's going to come right up to here with these chairs, how they are. The back of this chair is going to just barely touch this edge of this, and then same thing here. This whole slide here with the fridge and stove and all that, that will come here, and it'll come right up to this edge here. And we'll still be able to, when we come in, we'll still have access to half the fridge and the whole freezer. So it only blocks the one door right here to this cabinet, but this still can open up all the way there. So with the slides in, it's still easy for us to come in, get food, get something, and we can even kind of almost reach the microwave. So we just push out just a little bit if we need to microwave something going down the road. Or not going down the road, but you know, like pulled over in a parking lot or whatever. You know, all of this is going to slide right here. This couch right here down at the very end, right there, this touches pretty hard against this outlet here, so it leaves a little mark where the outlet is, but it's because I swapped out this couch from the original to this really, really nice leather one. So let's suck these slides in, and I'll show you how tight it is with these slides in. These chairs, they'll touch right here, and then that couch did touch way over there if you saw that. And if I can just slide in here, you know, easy enough. There's plenty of room to walk right here to the door. But basically, that's it. That's what it looks like, all packed down. People ask me all the time, like, how tight do these slides come in or whatever. Very tight, all the way. You can't walk in there. Okay guys, day 32, stayed at Walmart last night. You see it behind me probably. We are on our way to Stephenville, Texas, and then we're gonna clean out that storage unit, or at least get it organized and decide if there's anything to sell and what we're gonna sell, and we'll let you know. Keep you posted. Okay, what's up everybody? It is day 28. We're almost done with day 28, and I took a little break today to make some cool lens rags for some of my friends. Let me show you, they're all packed up, but I'll show you one that I made for me right here. Boom. Follow me on Snapchat. And we're just taking a break from all the action, all the making of the things. I started selling some stuff on Facebook today, so if you've been on my Equine Photo School page, you would have seen that. Been sending a list of the things that I have for sale to everybody. So that's that for today, and let's just cut to a montage of me making the lens rags. We're heat pressing some lens rags, filming it, there's the printer, all the things.